Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. In today's video, I'll show you how to share location in WhatsApp using your iPhone in step by step. Step 1. Open WhatsApp. First open the WhatsApp app on your iPhone and make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Open a chat. Next tap on the chat of the person or group you want to share your location with. Step 3. Tap the plus icon. At the bottom left of the screen, tap plus icon next to the message box. Step 4. Select location. From the menu that appears, tap on location. If prompted, allow WhatsApp to access your location. Step 5. Choose location type. You will now see two options. Share live location to let them see your location in real time for a set period, or send your current location to share a one-time location pin. Step 6. Set time and confirm. If you choose live location, select how long you want to share it, 15 minutes, 1 hour or 8 hours. Then tap on sends. Step 7. Done. That's it. Your location is now shared and you can stop live location sharing at any time from the chat. And that's it. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.